this is Joanna from BSLBATT. Today, let me introduce to you the lithium battery for cleaning equipment, giving you the best solutions for one charge, one complete cleaning. LFP battery solutions are suitable for replacing lead-acid, GEL or AGM batteries. It is not just drop-in replacement, but also includes grade A LFP battery cell compositions, 5-year warranty guarantee, and smart hardware software design. Long service life and eco-friendly. For example, the one next to me is 25.6 volts, 156 amps lithium battery designed for sweepers. And this kind of battery is also in stock in Mexico warehouse. We have 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, and 48 volt series of batteries with different capacities, corresponding to different cleaning equipment. They can be used in floor scrubbers, sweepers, copy extractors, floor machines, floor buffers, as well as virus drivers and burnishers. What are you waiting for? Follow our channel now and we could provide you the best service for cleaning equipment.